Okay. So in continuation with the previous class, we just seen about the advantages and disadvantages of the formulas, which is and at the same time we need to know what are the classifications of we need to find out what is the formula we have been using to determine the gear sizes. So according to the question, the gears with respect to the standard teeth, the application has been addendum first one is equal to 1 here divided by there is a external contact and there is a internal that contact. 1 divided by this third diagram represents which has been calculated is called addendum. And so it can tooth has been arranged like a kind of shape. It represents it is the hairy bone into circular. So these are the basic kind of tooth builds that we have used. So it can be also written and according to the axis, if it is classified the first one with respect to the axis, it is called find out spiral. What is the addendum? And here the axis of this teeth driver is and if you're going to take about the calculation of Dedendum driven gears, but both measure the value is that is what we call that straight bevel gears divided by diameter that straight bevel gears is equal to and here this is the spiral bevel gears into according to the axis. If you take a both case like addendum and similarly for Dedendum, this addendum is about 0.3183. Okay, in terms of if there is a both case, wherever we need to the Dedendum value can be calculated is 0.313683. Second one is called into the circular worm. So both values so there is a which has keep on varying because of the difference in tooth sizes in non-intersecting. Okay, so with respect to the pitch circle diameter, there is a non-intersecting sizes has been varied for both the addendum and as well as the Dedendum. So that is why the variations has been observed that 0.3183 into circular according to the classification of for Dedendum toothed waves or otherwise according to circular peripheral velocity of the gears. Okay, wherever if you take a working depth, what is meant by working depth means when there is a machine takes place between the two gears, we need to know how much amount of depth has been travelled when the low velocity gears are having a velocity which is less than 3 meters when the two gears are in contact. Medium velocity having a velocity which is 3 to towards the center. Okay, wherever that working depth can be calculated. One is called more than 2 divided by diametral pitch is equal to 0.3 velocity of the gears. That is in terms of circular pitch has been calculated. So with respect to diametral pitch, we used to say 2 divided by diametral pitch. Classification with respect to circular pitch, it has been represented. The gears can be divided into 3 types. One is called so these two different values which has been used for working depth calculation. Second one is called internal gears. Okay. And third one if you want to find out what is the whole so rack and pinion of finding the straight the amount of opposite tooth which gets penetrated into the other tooth. The rack means it is in whatever the case wherever there is a no gears are there or if there is no gears are missing, only one gear is and there is an external gear if it is there is an internal gear only in that case we need to take 2.1457 divided by and diameter to the so this is the standard value of calculation to determine what kind of working depth so generally, is available. If you are going to speak about the gears, we need to know so what are the formulas we find out the addendum. So in this diagram, working depth first of all, and as well as the old depth, what are the parts and similarly used to name for their if you're going to calculate what is the clearance. Generally clearance is nothing but so here there is a big circle, there is a gap between the Dedendum circle to the bottom measure the size of the tooth. Okay, in between we having one small amount of gap. That gap is what you call this is what we call the tooth thickness. Okay, so when there is a clearance is nothing but to this axis when there is a tooth measurement takes place axis line is named meshing misalignment has been calculated, and here we are on one side of the clearance it is called it as a phase, whether it meshing more amount of depth or whether it is meshing less amount of depth. So because of this, and how far the power as transmission has been, we will continue on remaining on the next session. So these two ranges has been calculated with the help of outside diameter and as well as the diameter. Disadvantages of the gear. Okay, we will continue on next session. And at the same time, we need to